Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim Reza from nasimreza.com and you are welcome to this video. So in this video, I am going to talk about how you can increase your business with Customerly. So Customerly.io is a live chatbot that will help you to increase your business lead. For example, if I want to show you a demo with their official website. So here you can see this is customerly.io and this live chatbot integrated with their website. Okay, so let's take an example. I am going to click on that button and here you can see they pop up instantly wait up and if I click on the messages or you can browse the help, like all the information are available here in their support team. Okay, so they are very useful. And for example, let's see the conversion. For example, I am going to input hi and here you can see their live support are started to chat with me even they are not available in this time maybe. So this is an AI based customer solution, so you can easily use that. And my most of the client are using it, and they are very happy to using it, and their selling is increasing, their lead is increasing. Okay, let's take an example. Why should I use customer? Here you can see I am waiting for the result. I just want to sure why I should use this customerly app. Okay, so their AI is writing and giving the answer, and I'm waiting for that. And that's like this founder or this company even not available, it could be, right? So but they are chatting and they are giving my answer. This is the cool part about these tools. So if you want to increase your business, like any kind of business you can integrate with, like your WordPress, Shopify, whatever, these tools you can integrate with that and you can easily increase your lead. Okay, so here you can see this tools is still typing. Actually it's AI generating, so you can visit their official website. And here you can see the result is come here. You can check the result. Customerly is a comprehensive communication platform designed to help you engage with your customer effectively. Here are some key reasons to use Customerly. You can see multi-channel communication, customer support, marketing automation, enhanced privacy and security, user data tracking, mobile accessibility, and so on. So that's the beauty of these tools that will help you to increase your sale. It's you can see it's not only that, it also Hindi supported, so that's mean probably it's multi supported. So it's very good tools that you can use your business. And it's not like some live chatbot could be the previously generated. For example, you can input some uh, mm, question answer before, like when you set up, and they will just follow the step. But it's not like that, it's totally different, it's AI based, and you can easily increase your sales. And you can see you can customize it, and this is the integration that you can use. You can use Google Tag Manager, you can use your Facebook chat, Google Analytics, Apple, Zapier, WordPress, Meta. So it's very cool tools, and I'm promoting because I'm helping to my client through my YouTube channel, how they are actually how they can improve their business. I'm not selling you guys. If you want, you can buy, and I will not get any benefit from him. Because this I'm not a sponsor, so this is totally my own opinion, and this is my experience that I am sharing every day on my YouTube channel. So if you found this YouTube channel is helpful to you, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel, and I will always try to publish the useful video like this. So that's it, guys. Also, if you need my consultancy, you can visit my website, and it's up to you, no problem. And just please subscribe my channel, and see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a good day.